Hello all, welcome to this video. So in this video, what I'm going to show is a intelligent sales buddy created through the Salesforce Agentforce capability. So before going into the demo, let me give you a quick intro or the reason behind we created this sales buddy. So in today's digital world, everybody have access to online or the internet. And so there are a lot of online inquiries, and then what happens is that this becomes a huge task for the sales reps. So they have to go through each inquiry, talk to the customer, and then make it like interact with them, and whether it's going to be confirmed or not, he may not know until he interacts with the customer, gets to know about all the details about the customer, and then finally places the order. But our sales buddy, who's going to be an intelligent agent, will take care of this and will help the sales reps to reduce half of his work. And also, it will also help the sales reps to better connect with the customer. Now, this portal is a partner portal. So you can assume that it could be a B2B portal or maybe a B2C kind of portal also, where the partners or the customers can come and inquire. So let me take you through an example where there is a customer who's coming in who's going to buy a generator. So what it does is that when he comes to this portal, like maybe this is a demo org. So we have the sales buddy, the intelligent agent over here. So let's give a minute because it could be because of my internet. There's a slow thing, but let's give a minute. So the agent has opened up and the sales buddy has also joined. So let's assume that hello. Okay, we say that hello, and now the agent asks me for a question like how can he assist? I says that I'm looking for generator. Now at this moment in the backend, the Salesforce agent starts acting upon, and based on the topic, first it asks me about my email address just to re-authenticate. So let me just put the post at example.com. So now it tries to find out a contact with this email ID and then give me the output. Okay, it has found out a contact. Then now it uses the GenAI, the prompt builder capabilities, and it tries to search all the product manuals which has been stored at the backend to find out the keyword generated and see if there are any relevant models which has been present in the backend. So it says me there are a couple of generators which has been available, and it also gives me the model numbers over here. So what I'll do is like maybe I'll say that okay, I'm interested with product one, or I can say that interested with product one. You can type it in natural language or anything. So maybe if we are lazy, we can just put as one. Now what the system does is that right now it has checked the product manual. It has found out the results and then it has given. Now when we have confirmed the product, the system takes a second step where it goes into its product database and tries if the relevant product model is available or not. So it gave me a product model over here with all the details and asked me, can I create an opportunity? So now these all are the activities of a sales rep where he interacts and finds this. But now this agent is automatically doing this, helping the sales reps with the capabilities of the Gen AI and the topics, actions, flows, everything. So I say that yes, please create an opportunity. Now the system tries to create an opportunity and also assigns the sales rep as the owner of the opportunity. Now it also gives me the detail that there is an opportunity created and there's a owner name is also been present, and then it asks me what date do I need to proceed on. So I'll say that maybe next Tuesday. Okay, so then it finds out the time slots available for the particular sales rep who is the account owner also, and then it gives me the results over here. So these are the time slots which is available for the next Tuesday. I'll just put it as 10 to 12. Now the sales rep takes care of all the activities meeting the customer. But now the agent, what it does is that agent creates a meeting for that particular customer, sends out an invite to the sales rep also. Now this is the point where the sales buddy action is being completed. Now the sales rep will receive an event invite where he all the details are being populated to him. So let's go to the top a little. Maybe here the opportunity name is not correct, but that's still fine. Let's copy the opportunity number over here. So if I go to the opportunity number, I'll search for the opportunity number over here. I should get a proper opportunity over here. and it will also list me, okay, there is an opportunity over here. So now this is the opportunity which is being created right now, our opportunity. If I go to the right side, there is a meeting which is being created. Now, you could also see that at the right side, you have an opportunity insights, which is being created through our Gen AI capabilities, where all the prompt builder takes into consideration the opportunities, the list of interactions, the customer overview, gives a clear insight for the sales rep, what all the details, okay, what is the opportunity and what all the interactions which we have. Like in case if we have multiple interactions, it gives all the list of interactions, what is the customer overview, and it also says that, okay, what is the lifetime value and everything over here. Now the customer, so right now if you see, the opportunity is still with the qualification stage. Now let's assume that the sales rep meets the customer, and he also goes and then enters in the meeting notes. So let me try to put over here the meeting notes. Okay, the meeting went well, the customer is interested to buy the product. Let's take this example, okay, and he is ready to place the order, something like this. Now when I click on save, the Gen AI capabilities is being invoked, and the system tries to do the sentiment analysis. So when I say the sentiment analysis based on the meeting notes, the system says that, okay, the customer sentiment is positive, most likely to buy. Now based on this, if I go back to the opportunity, you would see that the opportunity moves to a stage called as proposal or quote. Now, if I go to the quote, there is again a quote which is being created, and this quote, the product is also being added over here. Now, let's take a case that maybe the quote is being sent for approval and it is being approved by a ASM. Maybe I'm doing it manually as of now. It still can be automated. Now, when it is being approved, the next step is to send out an invite to the customer. So the sales rep, using the capabilities of Einstein draft as well as our code summary. So now I'll draft with Einstein and use our prompt builder capabilities to make a pre-made instruction. So I have created a code summary email and I'm relating it to this one. The system will automatically draft the email. So again, we are using AI capabilities to draft the email. Let's go here. Okay, there is this meeting invite and those things and all, and then you need to click on send where the customer receives the invite. Now let's take a new case. Maybe after 2 days the customer comes back, and here let's close this one, end this one, and then maybe I'll reopen it again. I have ended this, so just to show you that, okay, this is a new session. Okay, so maybe he comes 2 days after, he says that, yes, hello, I am ready to approve a quote receipt. So now the system, the agent will check, okay, it's good, but it still tries to re-authenticate just to make sure that, okay, this is a valid person or not. So let me try to put it here, example.com. So it tries to re-authenticate. Okay, so it asks me, do you have an opportunity number or a quote number? It can we still can give the opportunity number or the quote number, so I believe this is the opportunity number, or I say that I don't know. Now what the system will do is that system will try to find out all the quotes which is being sent to him. Then it says that, okay, that's a quote number, this quote is being sent for your approval. Now when we say yes, please approve, the approval is being automatically done by the agent, and let's wait for a message. It could be my entered, yeah, the code has been successfully entered. And now if I go back into the code, this is the existing code, right? So if I go back to the existing code, I'll just refresh the page. You could see that the quote has become accepted because it's been accepted by the customer. As well as if I go to the opportunity, a contract is being created and an opportunity is being marked as closed one. So with this, what I can conclude is that this has helped the sales reps to a greater extent, where it has reduced his work to a greater extent and also made him work very effectively using all the insights details which is being given, and the end-to-end life cycle of a not a life cycle of a product, but the end-to-end opportunity life cycle is being handled very effectively. So that is the power of the sales buddy, the intelligent agent which we have created.